All right, I am doing a correction video for my front bumper brackets. I had a listener or member. He had mentioned that the brackets were on backwards, and they are. So the maintenance manual for installation from Chevy. The picture's a little hard to tell, but the curve, it does come up and come back down, but part of the brackets here and here, so this section here needs to be forward, not backwards. So here I've already loosened the bolts on it, so that comes out. Okay, so basically just keep that position, but just swap the sides. All right, so it goes in like this. Okay, that, and then so we'll switch over to that. So I'll put this one here, and then I will pull this one out. I've already pulled bolts out. I don't know what's that coming out. All right, there we go. It's harder to just change this out than it is to take this off and put it all together. Got to loosen all the nuts on the inside and loosen them all up here, so that this can come out, and then you got to realign the holes afterwards, but I got that one done, and this one over here is going to be a little bit harder because the panel is warped a little bit. So either way, so sucker goes in like that. So again, it was backwards, but this is fixing it. So you can watch this video if you're on the bumper install. I mean the bumper bracket install, and then watch the previous one for the panels, rest of the stuff. So I got that fixed. So for the listener who mentioned this, thank you very much. It's now fixed.